Welcome parents and Bearcats to Jackson Square. Today we're going to be talking about converting improper fractions to mixed numbers and back using models only. Before we get started on our workout for tonight, let's look at one mixed number. So our mixed number is 2 and 1/4. Remember, a mixed number is composed of a whole number and a fractional part, the numerator and denominator. Our denominator tells us how to break up our whole, and the numerator tells us how many are shaded or equal or selected out of that whole. So I have 2 and 1/4. I am going to draw two wholes, and then I'm going to draw a third. And this tells me I need to break them all into fourths. So I'm going to break them into 4 pieces. Because my whole number is 2, I know that these 2 should be completely shaded. And my fraction is 1 out of 4, so I'm going to shade 1 of the fourths. This is how I would model 2 and 1/4. I want to change my mixed number to an improper fraction. So for improper fraction, my question would be, how many fourths do I have? I have 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4, which we all know makes one whole, 5/4, 6/4, 7/4, 8/4, 9/4. 2 and 1/4 is equivalent, which means they have the same value as 9/4. I hope that when you look at this model, not only do you see 2 wholes and 1/4, but now you also see that there are 9/4. Let's go to our workout for tonight. In our first problem, we have 3/5. We need to model what 13/5 would look like, and my answer should be mixed. I'm looking for an answer of mixed. So I'm going to start with some rectangles, and I know that I need to break them into 5 pieces. Made that one a little short. And if I start to count my pieces, I know that this is 1/5, 2, 3, 4, 5. That would be 5/5. Then this would be 6, 7, 8, 9, 10/5. I need 13/5, so I need to draw another whole and split it into 5 pieces. Then I would shade in 10, 11, 12, 13. So then I'm going to just go back and shade in all the rest. 13/5 is the same as what as a mixed number? If I ask myself, how many whole pieces do I see? How many are shaded? I see 1 whole shaded, 2 wholes shaded. And then I see a fractional part of 3/5 shaded. 2 and 3/5 is equivalent to 13/5. Let's take a look at number 4. Number 4 says my answer should be improper, and I gave a note saying that these are broken into 6. So it's already broken down for me. I can see, if I look at the whole thing, I see 2 wholes and 2 6. 2 and 2 6. But I want to know how many 6s are there. So for this one, it's simple. All I have to do is count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 6 6s. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 6s. 13, 14. 14 6s. 2 and 2 6 is equal or equivalent to 14 6s. I hope that this has given you guys some insight and some additional assistance on converting improper fractions to mixed numbers and back using only the model. Tomorrow we'll be working with the algorithm. Good luck, Bearcats.